23 has come. Okay, children, good evening to all. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Thank
How
you.
are you, ma'am?
Fine. I am fine. Okay, children, I have given one question to you. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk in a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk cost rupees 15 per liter, so we have to calculate both separately. That is, morning time the quantity of the milk is 32 liters, and morning time when he supplies, how much amount he will get. Okay children, I hope you have done this. Anyway,
Excuse me.
I'll show this again. So cost of milk supplied in the morning. That is how much? How many liters? 32 liters. 32 liters. Okay. So 32 into 15 rupees. Correct?
Yes.
32 into 15 rupees. That no need of calculating now. Again we will calculate it for the evening. Cost of milk supplied in the evening.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then and the same thing, it is 68, right? 68 into 15 itself. 50 rupees.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I couldn't write down the question because of connectivity problem.
No problem, Smriti. It is there in the textbook. It is exercise 2.2, question number 6. The question is this, exercise 2.2, question number 6. Same question, okay? Okay. So now you will find the total cost. Total cost is mornings and evenings. 32 into 15 plus 68 into 15.
Into 15.
Okay. There you have to find the common number. What is the common number?
15 is the common number.
15 is the common number that you have to write and keep a bracket there. And the remaining numbers
32 and 60 plus 62 in the bracket.
68. 32 and 62, you know how much?
Yes, ma'am.
100. Okay, good. So 32 into 68 is 100.
100.
So 15 into 100. So our answer is 1,500 rupees. Those who did not write it, you can write now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, child.
Ma'am, I wrote instead of cost of milk supplied in the morning, I wrote liter given.
No problem. You got the answer correctly, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is enough.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is not clear what you wrote. Like at the last one, the answer.
It is 1,500 also. 32 plus 68. Even if it is not clear, you can find the answer, right?
Ma'am, it's 1,500, right?
Yes, 1,500. 1,500.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, one similar question I'll give as a homework. Okay, children, one word problem. So it is word problem when we are using distributive property in word problem also. But when you write, you have to write the steps for the word problem. That is the main thing. Okay. Write the steps. 1 or 2 steps enough. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to erase it.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the board you wrote exercise 2.2 question number 6.
The same question.
Is it homework or something?
No, the same question. I have given that to one child, she couldn't write the question last class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The same question, exercise 2.2, question number 6. This is the same question, when there supplies 32 liters of milk. Now shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So we are coming to the end of the chapter.
And the
End of the chapter.
Ma'am, last
Children,
word problem.
missing the loudspeaker.
we are coming to the end of the chapter. One word problem is there that I will send as a homework. Now we are going to study some important and very easy things, interesting also. It is patterns in whole numbers. Have you studied patterns in mathematics? Lot of patterns you might have studied. Lot of patterns. So here we are studying patterns in all numbers. Okay, children? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, I'll show it. It is a very easy thing and it is very interesting also. Just, it is, nothing will come from for the exam point of view, but it is very easy to study. It is very interesting to study the patterns. Okay, wait children, let me take the board. Okay, children. So our heading is patterns in whole numbers. Patterns in whole numbers.
Now we have to write this. in the notes.
Yes. Everything you have to write in the notes. Because these chapters, no figures and all is there, all the questions. So, no need of showing any PPTs. Okay, children, it is all questions and you are doing the works, calculation works. Okay, children, yes,
You want to write in a new paper?
yes. No need, anywhere you can write as a continuation.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is the homework.
Who is that? Did I tell this is a homework? Did I tell like that? Okay, children, patterns in whole numbers. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And one important thing is that every number, 1 minute, let me reduce the size of the tip. Okay. Every number can be arranged. Every number can be arranged in one of the following shapes. Every number can be arranged in one of the following shapes. Okay, children. And first one is a line. Second one is open it. Sometimes it will be there. Okay, second one is a rectangle. And third one is a square. And fourth one, a triangle. Okay. When I explain this, you will understand it. Okay, children? Oh, every number can be arranged in any of these shapes. Every number can be arranged in any of this shape. Okay, children? And I'll explain one by one. After writing this, I'll explain one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children, shall I erase now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, no, ma'am.
No, I'm not erasing. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Every number can be arranged in as a line, a rectangle, square, and a triangle.
Ma'am, can you say once more?
Every number can be arranged in a line, a rectangle, a square, and a triangle. Okay. So we'll study from the beginning. Okay, children? Now I am going to erase it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So first one is every number. Don't write now, you listen here. Every number, I'll write and I'll explain, afterwards you can write. Okay. Every number can be arranged as a line. Every number can be arranged as a line. Okay, children?
Now we have to write this.
No,
as a
no,
line.
no need to write it now. Listen here. Listen. So what did I write now? Tell me. What is this? Every number can be arranged as a line. Suppose you take 1. 1. This is 1. Okay? Don't write now. And 2. How can you represent 2? Shall I give 2 beads like this? It is in a line we can arrange. Just like a geometrical pattern. Okay? Now 3. How can you arrange 3?
Dots.
Dots. 3 dots in a line. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about 4? The same.
in a line.
4 dots in a line. So what did you understand this? Every number can be arranged as a line. Like dots. Okay. Now I will write 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So this is the meaning of that. Every number can be arranged. If you represent the number as dots, so every number can be arranged in a line. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it. Every number can be arranged as a line. So this is the first one. I will write and I will explain. Afterwards you can write it.
And we have to write this.
Yes.
To write every number can be arranged as a line.
Yes, whatever I have written on the board, you should write it. Okay, children, 1 minute. Now you stop here. I will send the same notes to you. Okay, children, now you don't waste the time for writing the notes. I'll send the notes to you. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So now shall I proceed to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Send the notes. No need of taking the trouble now. Now, children, next one, second one. Some numbers, it is not every numbers, some numbers can be arranged Now look at the board carefully. Some numbers can be arranged. Some numbers can be arranged as rectangles. Some numbers can be arranged as rectangles. Now you write it now. I'll send the notes. Okay, children. Rectangles. Example. 6. Okay. If you put 6 dots, it will form a rectangle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it like a rectangle? Rectangle. What is the shape of this?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is arranged as rectangles.
And the middle too.
Yes.
Ma'am, on the corner 4 and the middle 2.
Yes. Sorry?
Ma'am, on the corner 4 dots and the middle 2 dots.
Okay. Okay, children. So this is the example for that. 6. You can find some more examples, but I will explain only one example. 6. Okay, children? Okay. Shall I raise this? What is the example of some numbers can be arranged as a rectangle?
Ma'am, 8, 10.
10. Lot of examples are there. You can arrange it as a rectangle. Okay, 8. How will you arrange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And children, third one is Francis Richard. Listen here. Third one. Some numbers can be arranged as a square. And the example is 4. Means same row and same column, same dot. All sides same dot. So 4 can be arranged like this. Did you understand? 2, 2 each.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is like a square. See, square means all sides are equal. 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns like this. Is it? Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell one more number that can be arranged as a square?
8.
No.
6.
9. Like 4 is 2 into 2, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you write 9? 3 into 3. That means 3 rows and 3 columns. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the next number?
6.
Can you guess? 16. Very good. How can you find that? How can you find?
4 into
4 into 4. Good. So you can take 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, children? So it is 4 into 4. 16 can be arranged as a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
4 rows and 4 columns. Will you tell other number?
Ma'am, 5
After
into
this?
5.
5 into 5. What is that number?
25.
Good. So you understood it, what it is. Okay, children?
Ma'am.
It is a small topic in our lesson. So it is very easy as I used to explain it. Okay, children? Now, next one. So, third one finished. Next one is, some numbers can be arranged. Fourth one is, some numbers can be arranged as triangles. Some numbers can be arranged as triangles.
3.
Yes, you understood. Okay, children. 3. How can you arrange 3? Yes? 1,
One here.
2,
3.
3. Or 1, 2, 3. Clear? When you draw, you will get a triangle like this. Did you understand?
Yes,
Did you understand? That is why it is arranged. Some numbers can be arranged as triangle. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. When you join it, you will get a triangle.
Triangle.
Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. There are some
Cracking voice, okay? Okay, now this, when you draw, when you join the dot, you will get a triangle. And you can arrange like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is also a triangle. So when you join this,
Grapes.
grapes. When you join this, you will get a triangle. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is geometrical pattern now we are studying. Okay, children, these are geometrical patterns. Okay, when you write the notes, you write that also. It is geometrical patterns. Now, did you understand this? All of you?
Yes,
Is it easy to study? I will send the notes today. Now we will move to the number patterns. It is a last topic, number pattern. It is very easy. And you are familiar with some of the patterns. Some games in with the numbers. Okay. So now we will move to the number patterns.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, number patterns. Okay, children, I will write some numbers. You have to find the other steps. Okay. I'll write some steps. I'll write some steps and you have to identify the steps.
Next pattern.
Patterns. Number patterns. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
First one. 1 into 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, 12 into 8 plus 2 equal to 98. Now, 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3 equal to 9, 8, 7. Can you find the other steps?
1, 2, 3,
Step
4,
1.
multiply by 4 into 8.
Multiply 8 into
Okay. Okay, all of you got the answer. All of you got the answer. Okay, children? What is that? Can you tell?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, I'll ask one person. I will ask one person who will tell.
Ma'am,
Can I? Ma'am, Rusa.
Ma'am Devika.
A lot of children. Okay. Aaron Anthony. Will you tell the steps? Yes?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4 into
Yes.
8
Yes.
plus 4
Yes.
equal to 9, 8, 7, 6.
Good. Then what? The next steps, Ravana, will you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Yes.
into 8 plus 5
Equal to?
equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Correct. Okay. So these are the examples of number patterns. I'll give some more examples. Ready?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Should we write this down now?
No need. I'll send the notes. Okay, children. Just identify it. You know it, right? You understood?
Ma'am.
Okay. So I'll send the pattern. Next one, second pattern. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay. 11 into 11 equal to 1 to 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1 2 3 2 1. Now can you fill this?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. Can you fill? Who will tell the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am,
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 Yes,
can I tell?
yes. Yes, yes. Who answer? Yes, I will.
Ma'am, can I
Tell the
tell?
answer.
Ma'am,
All are showing the hands. Okay. Okay, Anna Tekandala. Tell the answer. Okay. Okay, children. Tell. Anna. Tell the answer.
4 into 4.
4 into 4.
Sorry, 5.
5 into 5. Eh? Is there any 5 here?
No, ma'am.
Tell.
She's telling 1 4 2.
Tell Anna. No problem. You tell.
Ma'am,
Yes.
something happened.
Nothing happened. You just look at the carefully and tell. We are dealing with the second pattern. Nothing happened, Anna. Just tell. Yes.
And there is some connectivity problem.
Okay. Then who will tell? Yes. Amaya, Sri Rudra, all are showing hands. Okay, Amaya, tell the answer, Amaya.
Francis.
Amaya, tell the answer.
ma'am,
Yes, Amaya.
ma'am,
Can you hear me, Amaya?
ma'am,
Some problem is there? Okay. Yes, Shravana, will you tell the answer? Shravana, Francis, I will ask you. Wait. Shravana, will you tell the answer? Amaya had some problem?
okay, ma'am.
Yes. Tell the answer.
1 into 1
Equal
is
to?
equal to 1 2 3 4 2 1.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then reverse.
3
3 2 1.
2, 1. Okay, fine. Now who will tell? Ismail?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Now who is that? Amaya? Is that Amaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Francis, will you tell the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, Francis. Tell the answer.
11 1
11, 1.
11,000
No need. How many ones you tell?
5 1
1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Correct?
1 1.
Into?
Yes, ma'am. 1 1 1 1 1
Equal to?
is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 4
Yes.
3 2 1.
4, 3, 2, 1. It is reverse. Reverse. Okay, children? I hope you understood this. Okay, some in between, some persons, Amaya and all, some connectivity issue was there. Okay, children? Okay. Now I'll give one more pattern. Okay, children? Yes. Now I'll give some more patterns. I don't know whether I have given this. Yes. Now, third one. Third one. Third pattern. 0 into 9 plus 8 equal to 8. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
To 9 plus 7 equal to 88. Okay? Now, 9, 8 into 9 plus 6 equal to 8, 8, 8. 9, 8, 7 into 9 plus 5 equal to 8, 8, 8, 8. Now will you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Can you tell?
Devika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Can I tell?
Devika tell.
7, 6. Ma'am, 9876
9876
into 9
into 9
plus 4
plus 4 equal to
equal to 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
8.
5,
Good.
8.
Okay, 5, 8. Okay, children?
Can I say?
Enough.
Can I say, ma'am?
Enough. These are the patterns. Now I will send the patterns to you. Okay? And these are the last topic. It will not come for the exam, but it is very interesting to study. Okay, isn't it? Okay, some speciality with the whole numbers. Okay, children, some patterns, geometrical patterns and number patterns. So, is this chapter easy? Harriet, are you listening? Okay, children. Did you like the chapter? This chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Very easy, ma'am.
Very easy. Okay. So, I'll move to the next chapter next day. And in between, I'll take a test, not online test. Some questions I'll write. Okay. Next class. Based on this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, only very less 10 mark test. I'll write the question on the board, you write the answer. Okay, children?
Yes,
Not online test. Sometimes there may be some connectivity issues and you won't get it properly. So I need some answers to write because online test you won't get only MCQs will get only MCQ questions. So I'll write some questions on the board. Okay, ready? So next day, based on this chapter, all numbers. Okay? So shall I leave now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, my dears.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. See you.
See you.